want to talk about apple cider vinegar. Now, I'm not talking about weight loss. The other day, I did an Instagram poll asking about all the different benefits that you hear about apple cider vinegar. Do you believe in them? Or, nah, I'm not really feeling it. Results from that poll. I have been having apple cider vinegar every morning. All right, 3 benefits that I personally notice. 1, the acidic nature of apple cider vinegar helps treat a sore throat. Most germs cannot survive. So one of the first things I do when I wake up in the morning is I kick back a shot of apple cider vinegar. And it's an energy booster because of the potassium and the amino acids. Third thing is indigestion. So if you take apple cider vinegar before having your meal or your snack, to make it a much smoother digestive process. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, hit me up. If you're not following me on Instagram and you want to be a part of these polls or ask me questions or whatever the case may be, Let's Health with Ange on Instagram. And have a great day. Peace.